Meaning of Fine Gael.
Fine Gael.
Fine Gael.
Fine Gael.
Fine Gael. Fine Gael is a centre-right political party in Ireland that was founded in 1933. The name Fine Gael means family of the Irish in English and comes from the Irish language phrase Fine Gael, which means true Gael. Fine Gael has historically been associated with policies promoting economic liberalism, privatization, and low taxation. The party has held power in Ireland on numerous occasions, including most recently from 2011 to 2020. Under its leadership, Ireland experienced significant economic growth and implemented social reforms such as marriage equality and abortion rights.